So tell me about the Mr. Floor deep cleaning process that's going on with you now.
Yeah, so the deep cleaning process really is an outgrowth of taking our existing wood floor cleaner, for example, or it could be our vinyl and laminate cleaner, depending on what we're trying to clean, and doing it in a more professional, more commercial based way. So, the product line is really a do-it-yourself product line. So when people go on MrFloor.com and they purchase the cleaning products, it's really a spray and wipe type of a product. So you spray the product on. We recommend taking a microfiber mop, a flat microfiber mop, just wiping it off. The product is designed to change the surface tension of dirt, move it away from the floor, and get rid of it. You're not pushing it around side to side. You're actually physically removing it off the surface. So what our deep cleaning product offering basically is we'll come in and we will do the same thing you're doing at home, but we're going to do it in a much more accelerated way. So we're going to bring in high-speed buffers. We're going to bring in terry cloth towels and microfiber pads, and we will use our Mr. Floor wood floor cleaner, a vinyl and laminate cleaner, and we'll apply it to the floor, and we will, in essence, accelerate by using our buffers the removal of all of that gunk that's kind of stuck onto the floor. And once we're done, we will set you up with the correct cleaning products, and then you continue that process. But, if you did it sort of in a do-it-yourself type of a manner, Wendy, you would take you much longer. So if you want to kind of just get a jump on it, you'd have us come in. We would do the buffing and cleaning for you, and then you kind of take over using our products and microfiber mops going forward. And what we're doing for the next 30 days is we're actually offering, if you hire us to do this deep cleaning, we will give you our starter kit, which is a $45 value, which has an full aluminum construction mop with the microfiber pad attached, our cleaning product. We will set you up basically on the house, if you will, to kind of take over for us once we're done. So we'll start you and get you on the way.
You'll do the heavy lifting.
More or less, yeah. We'll get you started.
Right.
And and then you kind of take over from there. So it's a great deal. We feel it's a good way for people to kind of get introduced to the product, use it correctly, and if you want to accelerate kind of getting your floor clean, the holidays are right around the corner, Wendy. So we're thinking now. You're going to start to sort of think holidays. You're going to prepare your home to receive company. What a great way to get your floors and other surfaces clean, and then you get this nice little bonus of the starter kit.